of football, Manchester United is the greatest of all clubs. Chelsea when no get level, one battle with me. Now we be king of England, do not too small for we.
Oga make we hear what Chelsea na the #1 club for England. We know they make mouth, our doings na constant. KOTOKO, una still they live on past glory. Since 2008, una never win any better league. But 2021, Chelsea win Champions League. And 2022, we won the FIFA World Cup. 2025, we still come back. We just time. Champion no be for mouth. Now show workings, my brother. Ronaldo be like una biggest asset for life. Minus Ronaldo, man, you go flip zeros for dice. In case you forget, we don't make superstars too. Kings and legends, we rule over them.
What man you don't produce, Chelsea no fit produce for their life. Our past glory, now Chelsea 15 years future life. Who be the player for na team where don't become world best? When they learn from man, you make all the Chelsea fans rest. Chelsea na old man club, now Ogogoro supporters. That's why una produce dry gin, una be drunkards. Women are united, our ladies are chested. Club of the goated, you know say we be legend. Best squad in the world, now man you don't produce them. Beckham, Rooney, them plenty, mention them. Best coach in history, now man you still get them. Alex Ferguson, Chelsea, waiting on a get now. Chelsea na nightclub, to me no be football club. Cause we go shut and down, man you come here to ball. Up man you for life, up man you for life. Our blood is red, and man you na the life.
Why every good thing about man you na throwback? I'm shocked. You know get what you na don't achieve of recent. Oga, bring new point, two things are pass away. Allah dead body rest in peace. I be one follow on to the grave. If you want talk about legends, we be dog, una be bingo. You say una get Ferguson bros, we get Mourinho, Frank Lampard, Drogba, and John Terry. Now we be the real goat, una goat, una synthetic. On the 3rd of October 1999, Chelsea flog Man U 5-0, bros, no be lie. For Old Trafford, now we come follow na hand 5-0. We spell Man U, still put comma. Man U na dead club, a full at 147. Waiting una don't achieve, una be big for nothing. Go check well. Every major trophy Chelsea pass you first English club to win 3 major UEFA trophies. Up Blues.
First of all, man you no be Chelsea mate for any reason. For age, title, no need for comparison. Man you na the biggest club in England, if not in Europe. Make you try, they understand. Manchester was founded 1878, Premier League title 13, Chelsea 6, what a shame. When we they talk about big club, Chelsea no supposed come aside. We don't produce goals, Ronaldo big pass all Chelsea squad. We get goals personal. In the history of football, Manchester United is the greatest of all clubs. Chelsea when no get level, one battle with me. Now we be king of it more for we.
Oga make we hear what Chelsea na the #1 club for England. We know they make mouth, make mouth.
That's why.